Unraveling the secrets behind common idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on exciting journeys through the vast world of linguistics. Today, we have a captivating topic in store for you. We're going to explore the fascinating realm of idioms, those peculiar expressions that add color and flair to our everyday conversations. So, let's dive right in. Whether it's raining cats and dogs, you're feeling under the weather, or it's a piece of cake, idioms are an integral part of how we communicate. They often hold hidden meanings and reflect the cultural uniqueness of a language. In this video, we'll uncover the origins and explanations behind some of the most popular idioms in the English language. Get ready to enrich your language skills and impress your friends with your newfound knowledge. What are idioms? Before we delve deeper into the world of idioms, let's first understand what they are. An idiom is a group of words that, when combined, carry a figurative meaning different from the literal interpretation of the individual words. These expressions are deeply ingrained in a language's culture and are often passed down through generations. The fascinating aspect of idioms is that their origins can be traced back to historical events, cultural references, and even ancient beliefs. As language evolves, idioms continue to thrive, enriching our communication and adding depth to our expressions. Now, let's move on to some intriguing examples. Origins of idioms. Every idiom has a captivating story behind it. Let's explore the fascinating origins of a few commonly used idioms. Example 1, break a leg. This idiom is commonly used to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. Its roots can be traced back to the world of theater, where actors would bow to the audience to receive applause after a successful performance. Bending the leg while bowing was considered bad luck, so the phrase break a leg was born as an ironic way to wish someone good luck. Example 2, bite the bullet. When faced with a difficult situation, we often advise others to bite the bullet. This phrase hails from the 19th century battlefield, where soldiers undergoing surgery without anesthesia would literally bite on a bullet to endure the pain. Over time, it evolved into a metaphor for facing challenges head-on with courage. Segment 3, Cultural Diversity in Idioms. Idioms are like tiny windows into the cultural beliefs and practices of a community. Different cultures have their unique idiomatic expressions that reveal fascinating insights. Example 1, it's raining cats and dogs. When the rain pours heavily, you might hear someone exclaim, it's raining cats and dogs. Isn't that intriguing? Example 2, when pigs fly. We often use this idiom to express skepticism about the likelihood of something happening. In German culture, they have a similar phrase, wenn Weihnachten und Ostern auf einen Tag fallen, which translates to when Christmas and Easter fall on the same day. It's fascinating to see how different cultures use animals and events to convey similar meanings. The ever-changing language of idioms. Language is dynamic, and idioms are no exception. New idiomatic expressions continuously emerge, reflecting the ever-changing world we live in. Example 1, photobomb. With the rise of social media and smartphones, a new idiom has entered our lexicon, photobomb. It refers to someone unexpectedly appearing in the background of a photo, often with humorous results. This idiom perfectly captures the digital age's spontaneity and playfulness. And there you have it, the captivating world of idioms. We hope you enjoyed this linguistic journey as much as we did. Language is a treasure trove of surprises, and idioms are just one facet of its brilliance. Remember to embrace the beauty of language and its cultural nuances. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow language enthusiasts. Until next time, happy exploring.